Have you ever pondered about the challenges of UPSC Mains exam answer writing? The first step is truly understanding the question. It's crucial to identify keywords to grasp what the question demands. Remember, a good answer begins with understanding the question. Once we've understood the question, the next step is structuring our answer. Divide it into 3 distinct sections: an engaging introduction, an informative body, and a compelling conclusion. Each section plays a crucial role. A well-organized answer not only presents your thoughts clearly, but also leaves a good impression on the examiner. We've understood the question, structured our answer. What next? Now, it's time to fortify our points with relevant facts, examples, and data. This not only shows you've done your homework, but also lends credibility to your arguments. Remember, a fact-supported argument is a strong argument. Now, let's talk about language and conclusion. Keep your language simple, clear, and concise. Avoid unnecessary jargon. Conclude your answers with a forward-thinking perspective or something that provokes thought. Remember, a simple language and an impactful conclusion can make your answer stand out. Lastly, let's talk about how to make your answer stand apart. To do this, include diagrams, best practices, and references to constitutional articles and SDG goals. These elements can give your answer a unique edge. Remember, a unique answer is a memorable answer. So, what have we learned today? We've learned the importance of understanding the question in its entirety and structuring our answer with a clear introduction, body, and conclusion. We've discussed bolstering our arguments with relevant facts and examples, and the value of using simple, jargon-free language. We've also highlighted the impact of a well-crafted conclusion and the power of a unique answer that stands apart. Incorporate these tips in your answer writing practice and see the difference for yourself. Good luck with your preparation.